Get ready to dive into the ultimate list of 10 Amazon tools that are truly next level. From futuristic gadgets to practical gizmos, we're about to uncover some serious game changers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just love discovering cool innovations, this video is packed with must-have items. The Bessie Plater Gear Panel Carrier helps you carry a large sheet of plywood or chipboard with a load capacity of up to 75 kilograms. It has rubber-coated sliding clamps, holds your panel firmly and won't scratch it. No marks, no damage, you just pick it up and carry it. The tool is lightweight, only 750 grams. You won't get tired from the carry itself, only from the load you're carrying. The carry not only makes your job easier, but also safer. You can rest assured that the panel won't slip out of your hands. If you often work with large sheets of material, the Bessie Plater Gear is a must-have. It makes your work more efficient and safer. The Makita Blower, powered by a 40-volt battery, is as powerful as a corded tool, but you're not tied to an outlet. You can use it on a construction site, in the workshop, or just to clean your computer keyboard. This is Makita's new generation of cordless tools that give you more power and runtime. If you're tired of dusting hard to reach places or want a powerful cleaning tool on hand, take a look at this blower. It can be your trusty helper in a variety of situations. Band screwdriver Makita runs on a battery 18 volts and really makes life easier, especially if you often have to screw many screws in a row. The motor speed is up to 4,000 RPM. It can work with screws from 1 inch to 2 and 1/8 long. There is a special guide for screws. It does not let the tape get tangled and folds up when you put the tool away for storage. The auto-feed body is made of aluminum and protected from dust. The mechanism will run smoothly and last a long time. The tool is compact, despite its performance. It is comfortable to hold and work in hard-to-reach places. The WEN Compact Circular Saw is a small but very powerful helper for everyone who likes to make repairs or work with different materials. The motor is 4.2 amps. The disc spins at a speed of 4,500 revolutions per minute. I especially want to note the function of plunge cutting. You can adjust the depth to 1 inch and make neat cuts where you need. It is very convenient, for example, when laying laminate or working with drywall. The set includes 3 different discs, for metal, tile, and wood. There is even a laser pointer to make the cuts perfectly straight. Another nice bonus is the dust collector. The 2-meter tube keeps your workplace clean and the guide bar ensures precision for long cuts. Wolfcraft's Angle Clamp Set. They are universal, suitable for boards from 0.4 to 0.9 inches thick. You can use them for almost any home project, whether it's a small cabinet or a picture frame. You can install with one hand, leaving your other hand free to hold the part or tool, which is handy when you're working alone. They automatically adjust to the thickness of the board due to the spring system. No need to twist or adjust anything. Made of durable fiberglass, they will last a long time with soft, non-slip pads on the clamping surfaces. Your piece will be securely clamped, but there will be no clamping marks. Do you know who these clamps are a godsend for? For those who like to make furniture with their own hands. With them, you can not only fix parts at right angles, but also simultaneously drill and drive screws. The Black & Decker chainsaw has unique clamping jaws that work like giant scissors grab and cut. No fiddling with holding the branch with one hand and sawing with the other. The 4.5 ampere motor can even handle thick branches up to 10 cm in diameter. These are just the branches that conventional pruners can no longer take, and a large chainsaw is too lazy to get. The saw has metal guards that cover the jaws, so you can work safely without fear of accidentally damaging your hand. The saw is mains powered, and its compact size and light weight allow you to reach the hardest to reach places in the garden. PAA Dry Pencil, the lead is rectangular, 2 by 5 millimeters. This shape is ideal for marking. The lines are clear and clearly visible. The pencil is equipped with a built-in sharpener, so you can sharpen the lead to the nearest millimeter. Built-in organizer for additional rods in the protective quiver, there is a precise guide for the edge. When marking and a unique high-tech pressure mechanism, you will always get a smooth, clear line without unnecessary effort. Maximum dust and moisture protection is a dream come true for those who work in harsh environments. What's really impressive is that this pencil writes on any surface: plastic, metal, concrete, wood, It doesn't care about anything, which is great when you're working with different materials. Makita Dry is more than just a pencil. It's your trusted assistant for everything you do. The vibrating tile setter helps spread the adhesive evenly. No more air bubbles or unevenness. Your tiles will lay perfectly flat. Powered by a 16.8-volt lithium battery, you'll have enough power to work for a long time, and the battery indicator light will tell you when it's time to replace the battery. It only takes 2 hours to charge the battery. 2 batteries are included at once. You will be able to work without interruption by simply changing batteries. The suction cup has a maximum lifting capacity of 77 pounds. You can easily lift and move even large and heavy materials. For those who love precision, there is a built-in bubble level. You will always be sure that the tiles are lying flat. Another handy detail is the flashlight for working in low light. Work Sharp MK2 electric sharpener. Imagine having one device that can sharpen any knife or tool. It has flexible belts for sharpening. This technology is used by professionals, and now it is available to you. The belts adjust to any blade, whether it is a kitchen knife, penknife, or even a lawnmower. It has a special sharpening guide. It ensures the right angle every time. You can quickly switch between an angle of 25 degrees for hiking knives and 20 degrees for kitchen knives. The sharpener is equipped with a 2-speed motor. At low speed, you can gently sharpen a knife, and at high speed, you can handle an axe or lawnmower blade. The edge guide supports the knife all the way to the tip, making sharpening even easier. It can be quickly removed if you need to sharpen a knife with any special features. You see a great tool from Bosch, the JS260 electric jigsaw. Let's start with the fact that this jigsaw is equipped with a powerful 6-amp motor that delivers an impressive performance of up to 3,100 movements per minute. One of the key features of the JS260 is the speed control system. You can set the maximum speed with a dedicated dial and control the operating speed with the convenient gas pedal trigger. The multi-directional saw clamp provides excellent grip on T-shank blades. And with the keyless change system, you can quickly and easily change saw blades without the need for additional tools. The JS260 offers 4 orbital stroke modes, allowing for both smooth and aggressive cuts. The integrated sawdust blower always keeps the cutting line clean and clearly visible, which is especially important for precise work. That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews, like this video, and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.